comprehensive comparison of Philodendron versus Ficus. Which plant is right for you? Care, growth, and decor. Hello, dear friends! In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular houseplants, Philodendron and Ficus, from various aspects. This comparison will help you choose the best plant for your space. So, let's get started. Appearance and features. Philodendron. This plant typically has large, heart-shaped leaves with a deep green color. Some varieties have colors like red or yellow. Philodendron tends to grow as a trailing or vining plant, making it great for hanging baskets or trellises. Ficus has glossy, leathery leaves, usually in a dark green shade. In varieties like Ficus benjamina, Ficus lyrata, fiddle-leaf fig, and Ficus elastica, the leaves are large and oval. Ficus generally grows as an upright shrub or tree. Care and maintenance. Philodendron, light. Philodendrons do well in low and indirect light, making them perfect for areas with less natural light. Watering. It prefers consistently moist soil but should not be waterlogged. Philodendron can tolerate some dryness between waterings. Temperature and humidity. This plant thrives in average household temperatures and doesn't require high humidity. Ficus, light. Ficus needs bright, indirect light. Some varieties, like Ficus lyrata, even do well in higher light conditions. Watering. Ficus prefers to dry out a bit between waterings. Overwatering can cause leaf drop. Odor and humidity. Ficus needs a stable, warm temperature and should be protected from drafts and sudden temperature changes. Growth rate. Philodendron. Philodendron is fast-growing and can quickly fill your space with its lush, trailing vines and large leaves. Ficus. Ficus grows more slowly than Philodendron. While it can still grow rapidly in ideal conditions, its overall pace is more gradual. Best location for placement. Philodendron. This plant thrives in smaller spaces and apartments. It works well in hanging baskets or as a trailing plant, along shelves or trellises. Ficus. Ficus needs more space to grow and is better suited for larger rooms or areas with high ceilings. It's perfect for modern or stylish decor. Air-purifying properties. Philodendron. Philodendron is part of the list of air-purifying plants. It is effective at removing pollutants like formaldehyde from the air. Ficus. Ficus also purifies the air, helping to eliminate harmful chemicals like formaldehyde and benzene, improving the overall air quality in your home. Sensitivity and safety. Philodendron. Philodendron contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be toxic if ingested by pets or children. It can also cause skin irritation on contact. Ficus. Ficus contains a latex-like sap that can cause skin irritation and respiratory issues. It is important to handle this plant with care, especially around pets and small children. Price and availability. Philodendrons are usually more affordable and widely available in most garden centers. They are great for anyone looking for an easy-to-care-for, fast-growing plant. Ficus. Ficus. Ficus, especially varieties like Ficus lyrata, fiddle-leaf fig, tends to be more expensive and may be less widely available. However, due to their stylish appearance, they are highly sought after. Décor Appeal. Philodendron. Philodendron brings a tropical, lush vibe to any space. Its trailing vines and large leaves make it a great fit for homes with a natural or tropical decor. Ficus. Ficus is perfect for modern, minimalist, and stylish homes. Varieties like Ficus lyrata can make a bold statement and work well in contemporary or luxury settings. Common problems. Philodendron. Overwatering can lead to root rot. If the plant is in low light, its growth will be slower. Ficus. Ficus is sensitive to changes in its environment. Moving it or sudden temperature fluctuations can cause leaf drop. It can also be prone to pests like spider mites and scale. Care difficulty. Philodendron. Philodendron is a relatively low-maintenance plant. It does well in indirect light, prefers moist soil, and doesn't need much attention regarding humidity. Ficus. Ficus requires more care, especially when it comes to light, temperature stability, and vibrant. It needs more attention to keep its leaves healthy and vibrant. If you're looking for a fast-growing, resilient plant that thrives in smaller spaces, Philodendron is a great option. However, if you want a stylish, slow-growing plant that suits larger rooms and modern decor, Ficus would be the better choice. Both of these plants have their unique benefits, and your choice depends on your home's conditions and decor preferences. I hope this comparison helps you choose the perfect plant for your space. If you have any questions or experiences with these plants, be sure to share them in the comments. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future videos. And one more benetio.